Well, ongoing pa rin naman po ang ating preparation, finalization ng ating mga budget, yung mga magagastos, yung mga mailalagay natin sa ating events place, and yung magiging design. So, ongoing po. And yesterday, we have started. We have opened yung ating inter-barangay sports competition or tournament para sa basketball and volleyball.
Maliban po sa basketball, volleyball, Mayor, ano pa yung mga ibang highlights po ng fiesta po natin?
Well, tulad ng sinasabi ko sa ibang interview, mas maganda kung pupunta kayo. However, just to maka-glimpse kayo ng aming magiging mga programs or events is majority ng aming program naka-base sa availability ng sector. So we have confirmed first yung mga initiative ng ating mga sectors, kung ano bang gusto nilang gawin or ano yung gusto nilang makita. Dahil syempre ayaw ko naman na ang lalabas is napilitan sila. So yun yung one thing. Another thing is yung sinunod po namin yung nasa Binacol Ordinance. So for sure magkakaroon ng religious sector, religious night. Meron din yung ating mga Farmers Day. And the youth sector, sila yung pinakamaraming program po ngayon. I think isa na tong uh, tournament, sports tournament. Then on the week nung ating fiesta talaga is meron pa silang mga contest and tournaments.
Hanggang kailan po yung celebration ng fiesta natin, Mayor?
Uh, it 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 will start on the 21st of February. Then the last day, the main day, the Aldao Tiili is on the 28th.